We've recently discovered the company Bedsure, and they are awesome. They sent us this twin mattress cover to review, and I just opened it out of the box right off the bat. I do love the design on there, so it's not just plain white. You know, it kind of gives it a little something something, even though I guess you're not really going to see it because it's going to be underneath your fitted sheet, but you still know that it's there. It does have some nice plush inside of it, so it is going to give you that little extra comfort while you are sleeping. There are nice deep pockets here in the corner because we all know, like a fitted sheet, these are not always fun to put on, but because you have all of this space here to be working with, it is going to actually completely hug that mattress and keep it protected all the way around, because you know you want to make sure that you protect that investment. So for us personally, we have a twin blow up mattress. Tons of company always here. This is going to be perfect for that. Another thing that comes into mind, if you have someone going off to college, there's always those tiny little twin beds. You want to make sure you have one of these. And yeah, awesome.